What if I tell you can make this text effect in just a minute? My name is Overcomer Tete Dennis and you are welcome to Visual Vortex. Let's open to our browser. When you open to your browser, text free pick. When you open free pick, this will appear. If it appear this way, tap on the first one. Now on the search button up here, now make sure you put in text effect. Search for text effect. So when you put in the text effect, the second thing you need to do is that, so here you can see that it's even there. So I'll just go ahead, PSD, something like that. So these are the text effect that you want. You can choose any suitable one. So I'll go with what the Rush. Now then you download it. It's in a zip file. Now when you finish downloading it, the next thing you need to do is go to your desktop. Then you go to download. Yes, we go to download. You can see the work there. So when you, now this is it. Now you tap on it, you look at the PSD file, then you double click on it, it will open. So when it opens, this is what you'll get. Now don't worry, you have to what? Double tap on this section that shows that you want to edit. Now when I double tap it, look at what happens. When I double tap it, something will happen here. Now this, when you read it carefully, it tells you that the text is not on it or on the phone or on the laptop. So you need to go to your search button again and search for that font. So that is Evo, how do you call it, Empire. So this is what we have here. Then I'll download that one. When I download it, I'll cancel it again. So I'll go back to my desktop. Then I have to install that font that I've downloaded. Remember in my previous video I taught you guys how to download and install a text. So that is what I'm doing right now. So when I'm done, I just need to go back to my Photoshop again. When I go back, so when I come back to my Photoshop now, the font has been successfully installed in it. So I have to double tap on it and text over. Yes, text over like this. Now when you are done, you have to press the correct sign to show that you are done. And also this is where the magic happens. Then you quickly go ahead, just follow what I'm doing. Now this is what happened. So if you want to use it, you can just go ahead and come to this section. Just close that eye to take off the background and all other text. You can save it as PNG, yes, where you can send it to a file or a file that you are working on. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Overcomer. Have a wonderful day.